The outlet comes from the electric range for our stove, but we actually use gas, so we don't need the electric range, which is 220. So we tied into that and then just ran it into the brewery garage with conduit. Now we're looking inside the garage. The electrician added a sub panel with a 30 amp breaker, so the breaker on the electrical panel outside can be on and I can just turn it on and off from there. And then there's the plug for what I need for the brewery controller. My wife is awesome and painted the first half of the conduit, and here I am just finishing up the rest of it. Luckily we had leftover paint from the previous homeowners and it actually looks pretty good. Here is the debut of my wife, Janelle. She's an expert in leveling, and I wanted to make sure that it was able to go in. And as you can see, she's struggling a little bit, and she's shy from the camera, but that's okay, because she's a finish it, and she's committed. Look at her. Oh, she cranked the bit ratio. She's got this. So what that is, it's just an extra piece to hold the control panel. So that way I'm not drilling it directly in the wall, and if I need to take it off and do any repairs, it's ready to go. And right now, you'll see me struggle putting on my electric controller, and I got it from Brew Supply and built it myself. I did one of the DIY kits. It has 2 burners on it and 2 pump controls, and so far I love it. It's just somewhat difficult living in Arizona because of the heat, but that's just part of brewing, and you can see the struggling of it. And good thing I work out at least once a year and I was able to get it. So next thing is screwing in the hardware, making sure that's secure. Oh yeah, look at those guns. I should do fitness videos next. I can teach you, but I'd have to charge. So after doing some video of this for a while, it ended up taking me an additional 20 minutes trying to get all the bolts on, which it's just tight corners, but I ended up getting it. We got power. Check this out. Breakers on. Flip the power on, and we got electricity. Do 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 do. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. We had a busy day at the brewery. Lots of stuff happened. The coolest thing is I got that installed, and guess what? It's hooked up. Everything is working. We got power, so that means I can brew. So I'm really excited. It's about 105 degrees right now in Arizona. So you can see I'm pretty sweaty and tired. So next phase is figuring out plumbing. Yes, I can brew. I can bring a water hose and do it how I used to do it, but not in this brewery, and they do it right. And plus it's so hot right now that I'm gonna stay focused on getting that water going. And plus, because of COVID, I'm not having a bunch of people over brewing 10 gallons of beer just so I can drink it myself over a month. So I'm just making this brewery right. And as you can see from the progress, a lot's happened, but we still got a little bit more to go. And then all those kettles back there have just been sitting in this hot sun, and I may have to revamp them and put new gaskets on it. So plenty of work in here, and thanks for continuing to watch. So please like and subscribe. See you next time.